let us express 12 as a product of prime factors. So here, to express something as a product of its prime factors, what we do is look at numbers that can divide this or that can multiply to give this that are prime factors. If I say what can multiply to give me 12, 6 times 2 can multiply to give me 12. This is 6 times 2. But as we all know, 6 is not a prime number, because a prime number has 2 factors, itself and 1. 2 is a prime number. So I can break this 6 further. What can multiply to give me this 6? 2 times 3. So I have 2 times 3 will give me 6 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. So all these are prime numbers and they are the factor of 12. So it is a prime factor of 12. So I have to rearrange it. So to rearrange it so that it will be in order, 2 times 2 times 3. So when you're asked to express 12 as a product of its prime factors, what you do is you write it this way. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3. That will give me 12. You can see it. This is using the factor tree. The second example is 60. Express 60 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, factors multiply to give a number, or what divides a number exactly will give you a factor. So if I want to get this 60, I can say 6 times 10. 6 times 10. So 6 and 10, is it a prime number? No. So these 6 and 10 are not prime factors of 60. So I'm going to break down 6 again to get my prime numbers. 2 times 3 will give me 6. So I will have 2 times 3. 5 times 2 will give me 10, because 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2. So I've broken it down. Now I can rearrange it. So I can rearrange it well. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So that is a prime. I've expressed 60. So if I want to get 60, 60 can be gotten by 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is what? Times 5. So if I multiply this 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, I will get what? 60. So I've expressed as a prime factor. I've expressed this. I've expressed 60 as a product of its prime factor. You can even give the powers. 2 is into 2 places. I can write it 2 into 2 places. This is power 2 times 3 times 5. These are 1 places. I can even extend this one to 2 into 2 places. So that is how to do it. Now, another way of doing this is by division method. Let's look at 36. Express this as a product of its prime factors. You can just start dividing it by using their prime numbers. Prime factors that can divide it. Now, 2 is the least prime number. So I use 2 to divide, because 2 can divide. 2 divide 36, it will give me 18. 2 go into 18, it will give me 9. What prime number can divide again? 3. 3 into 9 will give me 3. 3 into 3 will give me 1. So by dividing it, I have divided it using their prime factors. So I will multiply this. If I multiply this together, it will give me this. So 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So I've expressed it as a product of its prime factors. Very simple.